Hello, welcome to the channel. In today's video we're hopefully going to be changing the headlining on this MGZR. As you can see, it's sort of replicating a circus tent at the minute, so yeah, it definitely needs changing, and we got some fabric there. Might not be to everybody's taste, but it is what it is, and you know, it's just a cheap ZR run around. First of all, what you want to do is remove the two screws holding the sun visors up. Obviously there's two on this side, and then you've got two on that side. What I didn't realise as well, there's also a screw in the other side as well, so you need to remove that. So there's three screws either side holding the sun visors in. Once those sun visors are removed, there is just two 8mm bolts then holding the centre light. It's quite easy, just pop the cap off and remove the bulb just in case, and obviously disconnect your battery just in case. Once you remove that, there's just a small electrical connector then that's quite easily removed then on the back. It just holds it in place. To remove the front part of the trim, there's a couple of clips holding it. As you can see, there's one here, one here, one here. It does take quite a bit of a pull on it to get them out, but yeah, just persevere, you'll get there. Once you move the front trim, obviously I've removed the interior sensor. Still a few more clips there on the back here. This took a little bit more effort, but yeah, like I said in the first part, just persevere, and then obviously copy and repeat on the other side. In the back part here, you've got two of these small clips. What I used is one of these. Just put it in there, push down, and then I use needle nose pliers then, just to get it from the inside and just give it a good pull, and out it comes. Under the front trim as well, there's a couple of these stubborn little sods. Easily remedied though, just needle nose plier and out they come. Once you've done all of that, you should just pull out like this.